Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, I'm going to keep this pretty short and to the point. We opened in about 12 minutes. So we talked about the next logical place being the upper band. Upper band ride, here we are, okay? We're in dip buy mode now. Upper band rides, they tend to run farther and faster than people expect. So unless the bears really turn it around, this move that we're seeing right now back into the 20 to 22 area, if that holds up through the morning, I mean, that's a dip you're going to have to buy to see if they can, kind of continue to progress higher. The NQ is already on an upper band ride. The Russell is already on an upper band ride on the daily chart. So all ES is doing right now is following suit. These bands are pretty tight. They're starting to try to expand. On the hourly, you can see hourly mid-band support here. There and there. And as long as that's the case, you can see the bands tightening up again. Every one of these resolutions has been to the upside. Here's another tight band. Resolution should be to the upside if things are going to continue the way they are in the daily chart. So look, we're in buy dips mode. We were in buy dip mode yesterday. We had another fantastic day in the room. I put out a midday update illustrating how we accomplished that. It was really no different than what we did the day before down in the 72, 73 area. So unless and until the bears show me that they can convert things that matter, and the hourly mid-band would be a good start, we remain in dip buy mode. Okay, I'll be out with some more stuff on social in a bit. I want to get this out so you guys can look at it. Everybody have a great day. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.